Today, I'm finally getting my G35 back. I've been waiting so long for this car. I've had it for like 3.5, almost 4 months now, which is crazy. And we did the motor swap, and there was a lot more that happened with it. Anyways, long story short, we're about to finally go get it. I'm super excited. If you're new here, my name's Hunter. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you at the G35. I'm about to take my car home. I had to go between different people. There was a lot of issues with the car that was not just the motor. There was wiring harnesses. There was stuff that was missing. There was just tons of shit. So we're here. I want to give a huge shout out to Chris. He's behind the camera currently. Him and his brother Ismail both put in crazy, tremendous work into finishing this and getting it the last final touches into getting it done. New wiring harness, a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff that's not here. There's no horn. There's no hood latch, so we're kind of rolling with a rope currently. It's gonna be a drift car. This is kind of my daily driver temporarily. I present you guys my G35 2004 Sports manual. Has a stock clutch, which is not gonna probably be there for much longer with how I'm gonna be driving it.
All right, we did headlights and high beams, fixed them both on both sides.
Oh wait, what the hell? Wait, how'd you turn them on? Because I tried to turn them on and they didn't work. So the hood's definitely... And there goes the alarm. Now, here's the fun part. So there's like no exhaust. Oh man. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So what I was trying to explain, underneath there's almost two sensors, and the other switcher is probably swapped backwards. I need to go underneath there.
Okay, so that's just we just got fixed that again.
It's a common problem. The two connections at the end of the wire harness are the same, and a lot of people mix them up, and when you mix them up, the brake lights stay on.
Okay. It's kind of hard to talk over this car. There's also no upstream or downstream O2 sensor, so my car is probably going to run like crap. But it's all little things. At least I have a driving car. I don't care if it runs bad or not. It's just something to get me to work and back. Please, 5075 is crazy. That's not even my plate. I mean, it definitely is. It definitely is. I don't know why I'm driving this right now, but I definitely am. And I'm going to go put my exhaust on when I get home.
I'm excited for you.
I know. Oh yeah, let me pay you real quick. Oh, this clutch feels so weird. Oh my god, the engaging point is crazy.
That's what I'm telling you.
So weird, bro. Oh my goodness. So I'm actually letting the car cool off right now because there actually was a little bit low of coolant. We did find a coolant leak, which was right here. I do have a reservoir delete that I'm going to be fixing as soon as possible. I just got to go grab one. As of right now, off the top of my head, I can run down all the major things that I do need on this car. For example, I do need a hood latch. I'm probably actually going to get the aftermarket hood latch, the hood clips. I do have ISR long tube headers on the G35, and I don't have upstream or downstream O2 sensors. I did have a 3-inch intake that I actually did swap out with an OEM one just so I can get the car running. I know it's going to be driving really bad until I do get the upstream O2 sensors and a tune. I also do got to get the studs put in so I can put the bash bar on whenever the heck that's going to be. As of right now, my radio works, but the speakers don't. I think the stock amplifier is not working currently, so I got to fix that. Also got to get a bumper so I can do the bumper cut, and we also got to put my Tomei on whenever we get back to my house. If y'all missed my video previously when we did pick up this car, the previous owner did sand down the entire car and got it prepped for wrap. Unfortunately, didn't get around to it. We do have a couple Bondo chips here on the spoiler, but I'm going to be getting a new spoiler. But all of this is sanded down and ready for paint. There are a couple little dings and stuff that I do got to get bondoed in as well. But besides that, and the diff bushing's like shot out as well. I do need to replace my rear axle because I do hear it clunking really bad. I think my trans mount or my engine mounts are definitely bad because I can feel my transmission shifting like crazy. Yeah, I do got to let the car cool down for about 30 minutes here. It did overheat while I was driving because if I were to add coolant right now... Jesus. Alright, so I got a Megan Racing Y pipe at home. I also have a 350Z Tomei. I believe I already discussed that. I do need to get exhaust bolts. We're gonna look for some exhaust bolts. I already have the gaskets as well, so I don't need that. Just the bolts. I think with my extension pipe, since it is a 350Z Tomei, I'm gonna need 8 exhaust bolts.
Or we can get 10, just come snap.
Okay, let's do that. This is really annoying to drive like this. Also guys, I generally don't know what I actually want to do because I got a new idea recently. My friend Jay has a turbo 350Z and I like it. I don't know yet, I'm still thinking about it, but I think I might want to actually do a turbo setup on the G35. I'm still not sure yet exactly. I want to get the car driving. I want to get it fully running to its normal 100% potential. I'm talking anything exterior, interior, mechanical, anything that's weird. I just put my hoodie on because it is cold outside, and I'm gonna go install my Tomei and the Y pipe that we do have right here and pair it with this Frankenstein of a Tomei. Yeah, this Tomei, it broke and I fixed it. Okay, I didn't fix it, but I had someone fix it. I'm not planning on keeping it, so that's just temporary, just something so I can have something fun. So first things first, I do got to move my dad's Tahoe so I can then get in the garage, but that also involves me moving my car, which is over there. Oh my goodness, I'm actually terrified right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god, I hate this. Okay. We're good. Damn, those headlights are bright. Automatic door closer. These taillights are black. All right, so we got all of our hardware. Essentially, this is the setup. So it's gonna go Y pipe, extension pipe, 350Z Tomei, that looks like Frankenstein, and the muffler. As of right now, that's how the underside of my car looks like. So, I've probably put like 7 or 8 Tomeis on by myself, so let's just go ahead and... Alrighty, we do have the 350Z Tomei on. Alright. Oh, it sounds so good. Y'all have no idea the feeling that's going through my head right now. It sounds so smooth. I've never heard. Okay.